Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a super cool tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to add music to your Canva videos. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your Canva website. Once you're on the Canva website, select Video to open the video editor. Now, you need to upload the video you want to edit. You can also select the video from the design. For example, I select the video from there. After uploading the video, it's time to add your music. Step 2. To add music, click on the Apps tab. Scroll down and there you will see Audio option. Click on it, and now you'll see a variety of sound and music options to choose from. There are different genres and moods available, and you'll find both free and paid music. To add the music to your video, simply select it, and it will be added to your project. Step 3. You can adjust the length of the music by clicking and dragging its edges. You'll see a stamp below your video indicating where the music has been added. To fine-tune the music, click on the 3 dots next to the music track. Here, you can adjust the volume, add effects, or delete the track if needed. Before finalizing your project, it's essential to preview your video with the added music. Click the play button to see how everything looks and sounds together. That's it. You've successfully added music to your Canva video. If you're happy with the result, click the Share button at the top right corner and then click on the Download button. Choose your desired video format and quality settings and click on the Download button. Canva will export your video with the music included. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.